What's going on, everybody? So this video is going to be a quick one. It's going to be about gold and the history that I have with it. Before that, I'm going to have the link in the description about the last video that I made on the giveaway, and the giveaway will continue until October 23rd, so of this month, and then I will announce the winner as far as whoever left a comment below. So go check that video out and you'll see over there what it is I'm talking about as far as the giveaway goes. So one key factor is I want to point out with gold. Now we came and broke these areas right here. We broke below. We did have high volume over here, okay, and bullish reaction. That's correct. This should have been a sign for smart money to kick in and start flowing in higher into these areas, correct? This is how, like, you could say about 70 or 80% of probability rate that would happen, at least, to come back up and test these areas from here, not from here. Now when we lead into lower prices like this, we came into lower prices, there should be higher volume. There isn't high volume compared to your background. So compared to 10 a.m. this is 9k. Compared to 10 a.m. right here, this is 11k. As you can see over here, this is 11k. There was a bullish reaction right here, but we continued even lower, and again we still had low volume. This is 12 a.m. you can see 12 p.m. right here, sorry about that. So at 2.06k, we look back at 12, you can see this is 1.8, but look back at 12 here, you can see this is 1.3, and again our reaction was bearish. So this is not a sign of strength. This is not a sign of bulls stepping into the market. Now what happened over here was news. So a lot of the times with news events, this push up, all of this is all news. Now a lot of times when news events happen, smart money tends to let go of price, or actually takes positions in order to, but smaller positions than the usual amount that they would take in order to gain liquidity. Now what I see here is we're in a downtrend channel, been from September 3rd, continued lower, and we are now coming back to test these areas. Now as a volume spread analysis trader slash price action, there's something that's happening in this zone, because this was our bearish momentum push down. From here we broke clearly below this area, and this was our little resistance zone that we were trying to break above. We ended up breaking, we ended up coming back, retesting it, and flushed right down through everything. Now when it comes to volume spread analysis goes, you need to focus on two things. What is happening into higher territory, higher prices? So as you can see, look at these reactions. We came into higher prices right here at 11 a.m. so 7.1. We can see at 11 a.m. this is 3.16, and 11 a.m. this is 4. So this is a lot of volume right here, and the reaction is not a bearish reaction, but nonetheless it's a very low spread, almost close enough to be in a bearish reaction. The next 1 hour candle confirmed that there was a lot of heavy selling in this area. So this is more towards the end of the day. I would not be willing to take too much trades in this area, maybe a very small position, but nonetheless it's towards the end of the day, so you do not want to take heavy positions towards the end of the day. Now we came back up again and retested this area. Now a second time we have high volume compared to your background. Compared to your previous 2 days, we have very high volume at that time. So you can see it all right here. The reaction was bullish. Now the issue is now coming to the fact of, are we in a retest area? And this is what I think we are, as we're retesting. So bulls are coming to test if there is still demand in this area. what is happening, it looks like there isn't any demand because we're getting bearish reactions. Now this was Friday, so we need to wait to see what is going to happen on the Asian session come Monday. And that's pretty much it. If you like this video, please subscribe, share, comment below, and peace out.